Hello my dear students, welcome back to the English class. Today we are having English language class chapter number 4, Interrogative Sentences. To learn more about the interrogative sentences, let's have a recap. That chapter number 1 was the sentences. So first remember, what are the sentences? Yes, dear students, what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words which conveys a complete meaning or sense. And it has 4 kinds. There are 4 kinds of a sentence. One is assertive sentence. Number 2 is interrogative sentences. Number 3 is exclamatory sentences. And number 4 is imperative sentences. Out of those 4 kinds, today we are going to discuss about interrogative sentences. What are the interrogative sentences? In that chapter, already we have discussed that the asking sentences are called interrogative sentences. Yes, dear students, when we are discussing about particular topic, we have to define that. So, the definition of interrogative sentences is, asking sentences are called interrogative sentences or questions. A question mark is placed at the end of an interrogative sentence. Yes, whenever we write an interrogative sentence, means we write a question. At the end, what do we have to place? We have to place a question mark. Interrogative sentences begin with helping verb, do, does, did or a question word. Interrogative sentence या तो हेल्पिंग वर्ब से बिगिन होता है, जैसे कि is, am, are, was, were, can, could, will, shall, has, have, had, may, might. These are the helping verbs. Sometimes interrogative sentences begin with the helping verb, and sometimes they begin with the verbs do, does or did. And sometimes they begin with the question word. What are the question words? What, when, where, why, how, who, whose. These are the question words. कई बार जो इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस है वो हेल्पिंग वर्ब से स्टार्ट होता है, कई बार वो डू, डज और डिड से स्टार्ट होता है, या फिर वो क्वेश्चन वर्ड से स्टार्ट होता है. क्वेश्चन वर्ड्स कौन से हैं? What, when, where, who, why, whose, how. These are the question words. ये सारे जो वर्ड्स मैंने आपको बताए हैं, हेल्पिंग वर्ब, डू, डज, डिड और द क्वेश्चन वर्ड्स, जब भी कोई सेंटेंस इनमें से किसी एक के साथ बिगिन होता है, then that sentence is called an interrogative sentence. Now you can see the examples. Is this your book? Have you read it? Next is, do you like it? Did you like it? What is your name? All these sentences are beginning with the helping verb, do, did or does or question word. Here you can see this is the helping verb. Again helping verb. Verb do. Now again one more verb, did. This is the question word. All the sentences are ending with the question mark. You can see here. So these are the questions or the interrogative sentences. Now I will tell you when we have to use the helping verbs to form an interrogative sentence when we have to use the verbs do, does or did to form an interrogative sentence. We are having an assertive sentence over here. If I have to change the assertive sentence into an interrogative sentence, what I have to do? First of all, I will check that is there any helping verb in the sentence? Let's check. This is a book. Helping verb in this sentence. Now, whenever I have to make it the interrogative sentence, what I will do? I will write it in the beginning. Is this a book? And question mark at the end. इसको interrogative में change करेंगे तो हम helping verb को आगे लेके आ जाएंगे, means in the beginning, and we will put a question mark at the end. Let's see one more example. She was in the class. Again, helping verb is there, that is was. This helping verb will be written in the beginning. Was she in the class? Question mark. These are the assertive sentences which we have to change into interrogative sentences. So we took the verbs and we put them in the beginning. When we have to use do or does, what we have to see, if there is no helping verb in the sentence and we are having first form of the verb, then we have to use the verbs do or does in the beginning. Look here, the assertive sentence. She eats her food. The assertive sentence is she eats her food. वो अपना खाना खाती है. Now we are not having any helping verb in it. We are having base verb, doing word, that is eat. When we are having s with the verb, then we use does in the beginning. Does she eat her food? Question mark. We were having eats over there in the assertive sentence. In the interrogative sentence, I have written eat. Why so? Because this s has come in does. So we need not to write this s once again. Students, look here. They eat their food. Assertive sentence. We are not having helping verb in it. We are having the base verb which is the doing word. It's eat. And this verb is not having s with it. So we will use do to form a question. Look here. Do they eat their food? Question mark. Understand? Now, look at one more assertive sentence. They ate their food. They ate their food. Next assertive sentence is they ate their food. Again, this sentence is not having any helping verb, but it is having a verb which is the second form of the verb. When we are having second form of the verb, then we use the verb did to form a question or an interrogative sentence. So I'll write here, did they eat their food? Question mark. Understand? Did they eat their food? One thing more which you have to remember is that when we are using the verb did to form a question, the second form of the verb will be changed into first form. These are the rules to form the interrogative sentences from assertive sentences.